Hi, greetings from Khaled. Welcome to our channel, Crest Tutorials. Today, we are going to learn how to use a POS system for sales in a shop or supermarket and like that. I hope you will enjoy the lesson. So let's log into the POS system by clicking the icon. It supports both online and offline operation. So this is the POS system from Crest. Here I will explain complete POS software operation from item listing, barcoding, sales registration to printing, sales receipt. You will get sales reporting, stock updates, customer and supplier ledger balances on POS data processing. Hope you will enjoy that tutorial. Now we will try to add some items through scanning using this scanner. I am showing you some barcode of items because items are already in database. What we will do, we will just scan, keeping the cursor here. Now happening is scan. Of course it will be through a scanner. Just scan. Okay, added. Third item, scan. Through this scanner, scan the item. Keep cursor here. It is one oil item barcode. You just scan the product, then it will appear here. Some more item we are going to add. Quantity, rate, amount, VAT, tax, discount, net amount. Per line item it is showing. There are 4 items now. One more we will add. Let's scan. It is one milk item. We will scan through this scanner. Just scan. It will appear here. Scan to this device. Automatically it is appearing here. So 7 items we already added. Showing all items. Total amount, quantity. We can change quantity, then it will affect total amount. I will show you, just change it. All record updated. Total amount is changed. Paid amount. Bill amount. Our bill amount is 100.04. Paid amount is 101. We can finish the invoice. Save. Bill no 419 for one customer, retail customer in supermarket like. The record is saved. We can print in a receipt printer. Right now I am using PDF printer, so PDF printing I am showing. Invoice will be in PDF for me. I am showing you PDF format. Once receipt printer added, it will be printed in paper. We can check the total item. All item is there. 7 items, total amount, tax, VAT, discount, net amount. It is matching, you see, item total, in report and invoice. We can clear any field data. Using search, we can find out any item also. We can open the bill, open any previous order, we can open also. That means previous invoice. You can hold running invoice. This invoice we open. Check the amount, everything is okay. New order, we can add new order. In this POS system, we are to keep items here. Item is already there, so we are showing you some oil items which we used in POS. Because in POS system, barcode came from here. Here we save the record, item record in previous. See, this is sunflower oil. By unit, carton. Item name. Unit, carton piece, carton price, piece price quantity. For carton there will be a barcode, see. Carton there is a barcode, for piece there is another barcode which we scan here. Once we save items here, we can use barcode in the POS system. Let's check the item list, how it shows in report. Food item, I am showing you oil item which we used in POS system operation. There is pack list, barcode list, single item listing. Let's check the item list, simple item list. Item description, buying unit, stocking unit, sunflower oil. This is all under sunflower oil item. There is more items. Let's see how many items is there under oil category, sunflower oil. There is 31 items count. 31 sunflower oil item is recorded. It is simple item listing with 31 oil items. We are going to check how the barcode looks for these items. We scanned the barcode already and saved, and we are showing you right now. See, these 31 items is here. For each item, sunflower oil, this is one item. See, all these 31 item is here with barcodes. For cartoon there is one barcode. In down, see, for piece there is another barcode. Cartoon barcode and piece barcode is separate. Price is also different for cartoon and piece, because cartoon contains more pieces, you know. So all item is organized in a very good manner. As we can use further in POS system. This is the item list with barcodes, 31 items. This item is going to be used in POS system for sales. We received it before. Now sales will occur after setting the POS. So right now after sales, how the customer balance change? We are showing you the customer ledger. There is no opening balance. This hand symbol is showing you the transactions. Let's follow. It is customer ledger upon POS operation. You sold to this customer and customer paid to you. Then the customer ledger is changed. There is one opening balance, transaction happens. After that, in last closing balance gains 0 in this report after POS operation and all these transactions. So we already have seen item listing, POS operation, adding all items, taking the payment. Now it is customer ledger. That means all customer balance will be updated upon POS processing. Follow the hand symbol, see the operations. Let's concentrate how the transaction happens. We'll show you another report for supplier ledger. Because we received goods from supplier, after that we paid to supplier. Only after receiving the item, we used to sell the items to POS. So there is a bunch of processing, So after that POS processing, these transactional reports will be updated. And it is all integrated operation. Let's follow the hand sign. There are some transactions on supplier ledger. That means you will get all your stock updated, your supplier ledger updated, customer ledger updated, your sales revenue updated, everything from a single point. So this is the complete process so that you can set up and operate the POS system in single or multiple stores and get your sales operation more flexible, dynamic and robust with the help of this POS system. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you need any more regarding the POS system, there are some resources link you can check below this video. Thanks for watching.